for the Grand Slam winning Creamline Cool Specials.
Sobrang happy kasi ito yung second time namin na makakuha kami ng award. And syempre, masaya din na kasama na namin si Bea. The first time na makakasama namin sa award na.
Of course, we're all very happy to receive this award. It's a really big honor and a testament din sa hard work na ginawa namin all throughout the year. And talagang sobrang happy lang namin na dito kami.
Sobrang happy din po and sobrang grateful na ma-recognize ulit. And syempre, sobrang thank you din sa lahat ng mga teammates kasi ito yung result ng pinaghirapan din talaga namin sa training.
For the team, we're very, very happy. And another motivation for us to be better this year. So hopefully, ito yung isa naming inspirasyon para mas galingan pa namin as a team this year. For Gia, we're very, very proud of her. We just can't wait to see her again. But we're just happy sa lahat ng mga recognition na binibigyan niya din, not only for the Creamline team but also for the national team. So we're really looking forward on cheering her as part of the Alas Pilipinas as well.